Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the WELLER SM1 SolderMate solder dispenser. If that isn't a mouthful, but stay tuned. If you don't have something like this, you're going to want to have it because this has got more versatility than I was going to expect. And three things you're going to want to know about this. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd appreciate that, and it'll help the channel. Anytime you get into soldering, what's your biggest pain in the, what to deal with? And I'm not talking the soldering iron. It's the spool of solder. You have to keep kind of pulling it out, and then the spool's going to move, and then it's never going to be where you want it. Or you're moving the soldering iron, you go right through the solder you're trying to work with. This is where the SM1 is going to make things a lot easier. Thing number one, this will help keep the solder rolls from getting all kinked up, because once you get solder kinked up, you're not going to get it straightened out. So you're going to have a bunch of little pieces, and it becomes just a real headache to deal with. Trust me, the larger the project, the more the headache is going to be. Thing number two, this is adjustable to a variety of solder spool sizes. The not the shaft, I'm trying to think of the right word to use here. The tube that goes through the solder roll is actually just a little bit wider than the solder dispenser, and that's by design, so that you can get it down as far as you want in the solder dispenser if you want it up running fairly high. Totally your call, but that makes it very easy to work with. Thing number three, this is the big deal, whether you're working on a little project or a big one, is the dispenser is not going to slide around on your workbench. So all three of these involved make it very handy to have. So take a look at this one. Think about getting one today. I've been very pleased with mine. And even though that WELLER is not a sponsor of the channel, boy, I'd love it if they were. Hint, hint, guys, if you're listening, this has been well worth the purchase, and I think you'll find it as well. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.